Hey everyone, this is Dave from Dave's 2 Cents. Just thought I'd put up a video today and show you some sunglasses that I bought, actually the lenses that I bought about 3 weeks ago now. They're called Revant optics, and they're based out of the Northwest, and they're American made, and they sell lenses for all the famous and sought after sunglasses like Ray-Bans and notably Oakley's and some of the other top name brand lenses. And I bought the chrome black, and I've been using them now for a few weeks, and they are tough and rugged, and they are very dark, but they're good for driving, and they're not so dark that they distort colors. And they have a protective layer on top of that, on the outside, a coating that makes them very durable and tough. I've already bumped them, and you would have thought that it would have scratched them, but as you can see, they are not scratched at all, and they're easy to install. I just took my old ones out and put these in. My old ones were roughed up, scratched. They're 8 years old now, and I thought it was definitely time to buy some. It took me a while to compare with all the other brands out there and kind of go over all the different options that they have. And these are the Revant Elite. They are the higher ones. There's a standard and there's a middle class one as well. The Elite are the only ones that have the special protective coating on the outside. I'm sure the other two options are pretty durable, but the Elite offer a better protective coating on the outside, and thankfully, unlike my glasses, these do not attract any kind of dust and build up on them, and they're easy to clean and easy to install, and I personally have been very impressed with them. And I have another set that I bought. These are the fire red, and I'm gonna do kind of an unboxing. This is the first time I've opened these. I opened the other ones weeks ago, and I should have opened these. Should have opened those at the same time, but I'm doing it now. So this is the first time I've opened this color up, and I just wanted to show everybody the different colors that they have. They're kind of tricky to get out. The first pair was, but I was a little disappointed in the other videos that I saw. They came packaged with styrofoam in between. There were little envelopes in the package. Unfortunately, they're not there this time in this package. Those videos are at least a year old or longer. They've changed the packaging, but you open it up and there's no scratches on them at all. And as you can see, these are fire red, and these are really cool looking. You can see the transparency, but they're bright enough so you get that mirror cool reflection, and nobody can see your eyes if that's what you're looking for. They're very bright and reflective. I'm very impressed with them. If you look at them, they look really good. I'm not going to install these now. I like the chrome black as well, so I will make another video in another month about these and compare them color wise. They're both reflective, but these are definitely more reflective, and they were not too expensive. I got them on sale. It was like a buy one pair and get the other one at like 20 or 30% off. And then when I went to go purchase, I got another 20% off them somehow, where the website worked. So I got a really good deal on 2 pair, rather than just get 1 pair. Now I have an option. So I thought I'd show you all for my first real review. Don't pay attention to the first video. It's only my test video. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you liked my review, and if you like, I would appreciate it if you subscribed to my new channel, and if not, then that's up to you. I appreciate you watching, and have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.